So, قال يا محمد sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah said to him, من أهان لي وليا فقد بارزني بالمحاربة. Whoever insults my wali, mu'min is wali of Allah, has declared war against me, has come to fight me, because no one can fight Allah directly. Fighting mu'min is like fighting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَأَنَا أَسْرَعُ شَيْءٍ إِلَى نُصْرَةِ أَوْلِيَائِ. And I am the fastest thing in helping my awliya, my friends, for example, or people who have my walaya. This, of course, is very important concept, and we have in different hadiths that if someone's fight a mu'min or tries to harm a mu'min or to degrade a mu'min in the eyes of people, it's like fighting Allah. And there is a hadith, for example, that whoever tries to damage a mu'min position in the eyes of people, Allah would take him away from his wilaya to the wilaya of shaitan. Allah says, you are not under my wilaya anymore. You go under wilaya of shaitan, and even shaitan would not accept him. We have to be very careful about not targeting mu'mineen, believers, damaging their reputation, because it's fighting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Of course, every innocent person, but especially of people who have lived a life of iman and piety and obedience and virtues, we have to be extra careful.